Hey guys, welcome to the video. Today I am making an unexpected video that I did not know that I would have ever been making necessarily, because I was just clicking through Instagram and I saw this post from Trend Mood and I just kind of got the big you know, your face is like, huh? And you get like the question marks everywhere. Yeah, that's how I was feeling when I saw this. So this is Kylie Cosmetics X Batman. So I'm just like, I'm filming. We got the fall vibes going on. We're in the mood and we're just like, let's sit down, let's chill, let's talk about this. Because I'm just like, what is this? Hold on. It's not that I'm like hating on Batman, because Batman, I love Batman. I am a DC fan. I am not much of a Marvel fan, okay? I've seen all the Batmans, okay? I have them all on DVD, including the old ones. Like, you know what I mean? Love it. We love George Clooney as Batman. We love Jack Nicholson. We love Danny DeVito, okay? We love Kevin Bacon. We love all those characters, all those actors as characters. Oh, Jim Carrey as question mark. Anyways, we love Batman. That's it. We love Batman. You guys understand now. But the fact that Kylie Cosmetics is doing a Batman collection just my eyebrows were raising up, okay? And they still are. So we're gonna talk about it. We're gonna go over the products. What do you guys think? Because Kylie Cosmetics is the last brand I would have ever expected to do Batman. At first when I saw this, I was like, oh, like Makeup Revolution or ColourPop or something. Somebody's doing this, but no, it's Kylie Cosmetics. Very strange to me. So if you are into these types of videos where we just sit, chill, and talk about makeup, then definitely give this video a big thumbs up. Your thoughts and opinions, of course, leave them in the comments because we love opinions. There goes my dog barking. Anyways, like and subscribe, and let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing that we're going to talk about is probably the best product that people would purchase over everything, which is the eyeshadow palette, which I have to give it to her. The packaging is honestly super freaking cute with the whole theme of it being a comic strip. We love it. And I can't see what it says, but I'm sure you can read it. It'll be like a whole little story. I do love that the palette is true Batman, like comic style. Like you have the yellow for the yellow accents, you have all the different blue tones, lots of cool tones, so you can have a nice cohesive eyeshadow look and then have like the pops of color. I love the silver color in here and like this light shade, this like light white. We have a dark blue shimmer, a light blue shimmer, a blue matte. Honestly, this palette is super cute, and I mean, I can see myself using it. I personally like Kylie Cosmetics eyeshadow formula. It's a little on the drier side, but I always enjoy like the type of nude shade she always has. They're my cup of tea, so I guess I'm not biased or anything, but I would probably like this palette because I like her formula personally. So I do really like the palette because it's just so cohesive and you can't knock her for the palette. It's honestly perfect. It really is. And then we have here a highlighter, which looks like it's going to be like an icy blue highlighter. It looks a little gray in the photo, but I highly doubt it's going to be a gray highlighter. It's probably just an icy blue highlighter. And I love how it's like the city with the Batman symbol. Super cool. Really like that. And then we have 3 eyeliners. It appears to be a black, a aqua blue, or maybe green. I can't really tell from the photo. And then like a true blue, which is really cool. Then we have a makeup bag, which is also pretty freaking cool. I mean, honestly, if you're a Batman fan and you travel and you need a makeup bag, I would get the bag because the bag's actually really cool. And then we have a lip set of glosses. So we have a blue gloss, which naturally, and then we have like a berry red gloss and then like a nude gloss. We have this one thing here. I don't know what this is. Kylie Cosmetics. What does this say? I don't know what the thing is in the bottom, but it might be the packaging for the eyeliners, possibly. But so far, people are really liking it, but people are also really confused what the relevance is with Batman and Kylie, which is exactly what I was thinking. So this is going to be available on October 19th. And what do you guys think? Because it's just so like different, like something that I would never have expected from her. I do really like the eyeshadow look that she came up with. Like, it's cute. It's definitely giving like Halloween vibes. Is this like a Halloween collection? Because Batman coincides with like Halloween costumes. People are Batman. I'm pretty sure my son was Batman one year. Actually, he was Batman one year. But I do like this eyeshadow look that she came out with the yellow pop and like the yellow line. I really like that. It's really cool. But like, I don't know. I just feel like it's just super weird, but the palette is super cute. So I'm gonna give her that. And then she had promo photos, which I completely missed, and these came out a couple days ago, where it's Kylie on the TV, Batman suit, Batman symbol, super cute. I can't even believe I missed it. Somebody said, has Kylie even seen the Batman movies? And somebody said she probably thinks he's an Avenger. But I don't know. What do you guys think down below? Because this was just super crazy to me that it's a Batman collection, which if there's one collection that I'm really excited about coming out here in the near future that has anything to do with like characters, it's Scooby-Doo X Glamlight, which that one is going to be a tough one for me because I was a Scooby-Doo fan. I've literally been rewatching the old school Scooby-Doo on Tubi, because all the Scooby-Doos are on Tubi, by the way. So I've been watching them. Fun fact. So seeing this, I'm so excited to see what they're going to do, and I just might need the whole collection because Glamlight's good. We love Glamlight. Glamlight's amazing. Not totally always here for all the collections because it's all just like mostly like monochromatic, all one kind of thing, like all blue or all red, and I'm just like not that girl. But if they do Scooby-Doo right, I might just need it all. Just saying. So anyways, what are your thoughts and opinions down below on this Kylie Cosmetics collection? Are you planning on picking anything up? Do you like that she's doing something a little bit different? Would you consider this a holiday Halloween release? Because it's like, you know, how she did the Grinch and stuff like that, and how she's done the reindeer collection, which, you know. Anyways, thoughts and opinions down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!